Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up receipt storage workflow with Microsoft OneDrive. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Microsoft OneDrive on your computer or mobile device. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have OneDrive installed, download and install the app from the official website. Create a dedicated folder for your receipts. Name the folder something recognizable, like Receipt Storage. Now, gather all your receipts into one location for easy access. You can scan physical receipts using your smartphone camera. Use a scanning app, like Microsoft Lens, for better quality scans. After scanning, save your receipts in PDF format if possible. Upload these scanned receipts to your OneDrive folder. To upload, click on the Upload button within the OneDrive interface. Select the files from your device that you want to upload. Once uploaded, ensure each receipt is well labeled. Use a naming convention that includes the date and vendor for easy searching. Consider creating subfolders for different months or categories. To keep everything organized, regularly update your folder with new receipts. Set a monthly reminder to review and file your receipts. For added security, enable file versioning in OneDrive. This way, you can always recover previous versions if needed. Utilize the OneDrive mobile app for on-the-go uploads. You can take a picture of your receipt and upload it immediately. Always ensure your internet connection is stable while uploading. Finally, back up your OneDrive regularly to another cloud service or external drive. Now you have a straightforward receipt storage workflow with Microsoft OneDrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.